Pick up this brilliant silver metallic 2009 Ford Flex, available today. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 21,102 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact us and get behind the wheel today.